Hi, to update apps on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we need to find and open the Play Store first. So here, take a look at the upper panel and you will find your profile icon which you need to tap. And after that, go in the notifications and offers. And now on the top of the screen, you can see the amount of available updates. So tap it. And now you can either update any app manually by tapping the blue option to update, or you can select to update all and all of the apps will start updating. Also, you can stop the process if you select to cancel all. And this is how it will look now. So if you want to enable auto update for the apps, you just need to go back in your profiles icon, but now select the settings and go in the network preferences. After that, choose auto update apps and select one of three options: don't auto update, or over Wi-Fi only, or over any network, and confirm your choice by pressing the OK button. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.